guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. So glad you could join us. This week we got a letter from a community member, and she writes, "Hello there, my name is Michelle. Hi Michelle. I will be marrying the love of my life in August. I'm going to be a birthday bride. I will have my first kiss as husband and wife to start a new chapter of my life." That is so sweet. "I have a vision for my wedding of an elegant underwater theme. I love all the sea and all the creatures that live in it. I found this centerpiece and it reminds me of a jellyfish." Well, Michelle, we are going to take this centerpiece and we're going to create your own under the water beautiful celebration. I'm so excited to bring you this week's episode, Tall Sea Inspired Wedding Centerpiece. So, hope you like it, Michelle. Let's get started. So first I'm going to show you how to make one of my most favorite vase. It costs $3, literally $3. So you're going to take two 9-inch vases that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Don't worry, all the links to the supplies are in the description. And you're going to take a 1 4-inch tapered glass candle holder, also from the Dollar Tree. So let's do this in two parts. First, we're going to use our E6000. You're going to put a generous amount on the candlestick lip, and then you're going to place one of the 9-inch vases on top of that. I would definitely either add some rocks or a book or some sort of weight and let it dry overnight. That's the key here. Let it dry overnight. So I don't attach the second vase until I've applied the glitter to it. And the glitter is very simple. So you're going to be amazed what we can do with a $1.99 bottle of glitter and some Mod Podge. So you're just going to simply take your paintbrush, go ahead and liberally paint the vase with the Mod Podge. I'm using just the matte finish. If you want an iridescent finish, by all means pick the iridescent or whatever, makes you happy. So you're going to, I do sections about a quarter of the vase at a time. It's just easier to work with instead of trying to cover the entire thing with glue and then the entire thing with glitter. So you simply apply the glue, sprinkle your glitter on, and you're just going to apply it liberally. And if you're like me, I scoop up all the extra glitter and I put it right back in the container and keep it rolling. So let's get our glitter on, guys. So the trick to adding the second vase is that I would suggest you go ahead and fill it halfway up with some sort of rocks, just to add as a weight. Then you're going to apply your E6000 to the lip of your bottom vase and simply set the top vase on top of it. You're going to have to hold it for a minute or so just to make sure it's stable. Don't just put it on there and let go because it's going to fall apart. So if you would like to also, for extra hold, put some more E6000 on the bottom of the second vase. And then you'll have to go back, of course, and refill it with your weight, which is your rocks. All right, you can do it. Just be patient. Here's a trick that'll take your DIY project to the next level. You gotta think about your project from all angles. So this is something I always do. I always think about, what if they look underneath? What will they see? Well, in this case, they're gonna see more beautiful blue glitter. So you're just gonna cover your foam. This is an 8-inch foam disc. You're gonna cover it with Mod Podge very liberally. And don't worry if you miss a spot, you can just go back over it with glue, go back over it with glitter. And so what's gonna happen is this is gonna serve as the base on top of our vases, so that there will be a continuous sea of blue. Oh, I like the sound of that. Here's another little quick tip, guys. I always set any projects that I use glitter with, I always set them with a clear acrylic gloss spray paint, so that you don't have glitter everywhere. It's nothing worse than transporting a project to another setting and then you got half a bottle of glitter in the bottom of your car. And if you know anything about glitter, it stays forever. So just a little tip. You don't have to do it, just something that I do regularly that I thought might help. Here's another cool option. You can always take a small LED light and glue it to the underside of your foam disc, and it can actually shine through the base part. Now, with this option, you would have to do more of your setup on site, but it is an option. Now it's time for the fun stuff. We're going to attach crystal gem garland to our foam disc using floral wire. The first garland we're going to attach is going to be right at about 20 inches long, because your frame is about 22 inches tall. So then you're going to attach a garland on either side of the 20-inch garland, the middle one, and they're each going to be about 18 inches long. And from there, you're going to shorten and shorten until your shortest ones are going to be on the sides, and they are going to be right at about 4 inches long. So just take your time, and guess what? If you want them a different length, go for it. Remember, we just give you the plan, you make it your own. So whatever pattern you set on the front, just repeat the same pattern on the back. You got this, guys. Go for it. Okay, so now we're ready to add our styrofoam half ball. It's also 8 inches. We're going to use the floral pins, and you simply are going to press those tips right into that foam ball. Now, what you need to know is this is a smooth styrofoam, so it's a little bit tougher. So you're gonna have to use something to penetrate the foam before you can insert your flowers. I am, MissPlanIt. So I actually used a barbecue skewer that I just pulled out of my pantry. You can use whatever you like, but a skewer works just fine. Well, Michelle, we hope we brought your underwater dreams to reality with this beautiful centerpiece. We had an absolute blast creating it for you, and we are so grateful that you allowed us to be a part of your special day. If you like this tutorial, please by all means like it. Go ahead and subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. In addition to that, you can follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. We love to read your comments and answer your questions. That's what we're here for. Head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, and if we can help you with a project request, click on that simple tab, follow the easy steps, and let us be a part of your special day. In addition to that, you can find the written and picture instructions for our projects, as well as awesome coupon options and future blog posts. We love that you spend your time with us. We know you have so many options, so we are very grateful and appreciative for you joining us this week on MissPlanIt. So, until next week, guys, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. See you next week. God bless. Bye now.